No bread, no. At suking ka talaga yan.
Bread, meat, takay, baby takay.
Yes, baby takay. That one is baby takay.
Yes, there's two. We will show you the
Okay.
other one.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go, baby.
It's baby takay. Bread.
This is the...
What is baby takay?
Halika na, baby. This is the other one. This is the other baby.
Okay. Oh my God. He's so cute.
Say hi to the baby takay.
Yes. It's...
Nanganga siya, oh.
Oh.
Uy, nanay niya yata yun. Yung nagatunog.
Parang nakakakain siya ng alamitas, oh.
Hindi, be. Nakagat siya na alamitas. Ng ant sa paa.
At sa buntot.
O, say hi to your followers in YouTube.
Hi.
Hi. We will upload this later.
Yes. Yes. This one is that.
Tatakot siya kaya siya nakanganga. Kailan nakagat siya ng mga ant sa paa, ulok. Ulok.
Don't be scared, baby takay.
Let's go na. O, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye to your followers.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. Ay, see you soon tuloy. Be right back. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'll be right back.